This is the jobcost.com video tutorial on how to enter or edit a new workers' comp code. In the main cabinet, go to Settings, click on Workers' Comp List. To create a new workers' comp code, select the blue Add button. To edit an existing workers' comp code, click on the workers' comp name ID from the workers' comp list. Enter the workers' comp ID. This is alphanumeric up to 10 characters. Enter the description for the workers' comp code. Compensation percent is the workers' compensation percentage from the workers' comp policy. Weekly wage cap amount field can be used if there is any cap amount for this workers' comp code. Report excluded checkbox can be utilized to exclude this workers' comp ID from the workers' comp report. Click Save when done entering new workers' comp code. Click Save and Add if entering multiple new workers' comp codes. Click Save and Close if completely done entering or editing workers' comp code, and it will close the current workers' comp tab.